So you two scallywags dug up me treasure. Well, you saved me a lot of digging, you did. So here's the reward for it.
Hey guys, so today we're at Treasure Island on the Las Vegas Strip. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about Treasure Island, from the casino to the bars and restaurants to the entertainment, pool even, and let's actually start with the room. So the room I'm staying at tonight is the standard king room. I'll show you how much it costs right here. This is a Friday as well, so prices always go up on the weekends. Pretty good price overall, even for the weekend. And the room I have is a standard room. However, I'm on the very corner of the building, so I have two windows, one here and one there, with amazing views of the strip. So hopefully if you come here and stay here, you'll get as lucky as I did with this view. Double view. But anyway, let's show you a montage of the room. So moving on from the montage of the room, I wanted to talk about what is downstairs, what Treasure Island has to offer before we go outside of this room. By we, it's me, it's you, and also Greta, my wife, who just joined me. She's on the bed over here. Let's talk about the history and what's downstairs. The $430 million Treasure Island Resort was opened by Mirage Resorts on the night of October 26th. 1993. It included a casino, a 2,900 room hotel, and a free pirate show located in the front of the resort. Unfortunately, that's no longer here. It's very sad, very lame, but it's no more. Treasure Island opened under the direction of Steve Wynn. The initial plans called for a tower to be added to the Mirage, but later evolved into a full-fledged separate hotel casino resort, which is the Treasure Island. So there's some history for you guys. They do have a fitness center here. They have in-room dining. They have a steakhouse called Phil's Steakhouse, a seafood shack and mojito bar, Golden Circle Sportsbook and Bar, Golden Circle Restaurant, the coffee shop, which is essentially a diner here, Francesco's Pizzeria. They have a Starbucks inside of Treasure Island, and additionally they have a Starbucks outside, which is on the corner on Las Vegas Boulevard. So for all intents and purposes, there are two Starbucks here at Treasure Island, which is cool. And connected to that Starbucks outside is actually a margarita bar. They have the Breeze Bar, Gilly's Saloon, Gilly's Restaurant. This is definitely one of the highlights at Treasure Island. It's essentially a kind of country-themed restaurant and bar. They have a stage, and often they have performers performing, and they have a dance floor, and they also have a mechanical bull that you can ride, and the person who's controlling it tries to throw you off, and everyone watches, and it's kind of funny. Malena's Yogurt Plus, Popeyes, and Pickup Sticks, these two fast food restaurants make up the small food court here, which right next to the food court is a 24-hour CVS, the Marvel Avengers Station. Now, this is interesting. They actually have a Marvel's memorabilia exhibit, and in addition to that, downstairs is a merchandise store where you can buy Marvel merch. There's the lobby store, the TI gift shop, TI to go, $10 at TI, all sorts of these gift shop stores. Gilly's Trading Post, where you can buy Western style stuff like cool boots and cowboy things. There's a wedding chapel here, and there's a Cirque Du Soleil show here as well, which I bought tickets to tonight, and I'm pretty excited because I've never been to a Cirque show, ever. I've been in Vegas for years, and I've never been to a Cirque show until tonight, so I'm excited. I'm going to show you some footage of that too, so stay tuned. Now, pools and cabanas. The pool area here is closed because it's, the winter season, but I do have some footage of the pool from staying there over 2 summers ago. I stayed there, so here's some pool footage. All right.
We're ready to go. We're ready to go. Go.
All right, Greta and I are on our way downstairs to see Cirque Du Soleil.
I'm so excited.
So now sit back, relax, and
Wow, god damn, that was cool. Tickets were pretty expensive, over $100, but honestly, I highly recommend going. It was so amazing. Almost exactly an hour and a half long, so it's a really good length. Not too long though. It's just incredible show. It was fun, it was funny, it was impressive, it was creative. Cirque Du Soleil, I'm a big fan now. Honestly, big fan. Can't wait to see more of them. I can't wait, honestly, yeah. So we're on our way to Gillies now. So we got Senor Frogs, Treasure Island, and then Gillies. So the outdoor entrance leads to the restaurant first, but the indoor entrance to Gillies will lead you to the bar first.
Alright, you want to go inside now? You're cold?
I'm really, really cold.
Come on, let's go.
Alright, that's it. We're going to sleep more in the morning. See you guys then.
Good morning,
This is my shot, Greta. This is my shot. Stealing my thunder.
Oh, ow.
We are on our way to the tram downstairs. It runs from Treasure Island to Mirage. It's a short tram, but it connects the two, and it's really cool. One of the many trams in Las Vegas.
And it's free.
And boom, just like that, we are at the Mirage. But actually, let's head back on because we gotta go back to Treasure Island to then go home. So that about wraps it up for Treasure Island. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned a thing or two. One thing I didn't really talk too much about was Senor Frogs, which on their website, they describe themselves as a colorful Mexican eatery in Treasure Island that has a party vibe and patio overlooking Sirens Cove. If you're a party person and you want to get a drink and you like loud, upbeat hip-hop and upbeat music, that's definitely the place for you. But besides that, Treasure Island, it was so much better than I had remembered the last time I'd stayed there. It's a great place, pretty inexpensive compared to other places on the Strip, so something to look into. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I really thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please hit that subscribe, hit the like button. It helps more than you know. And if you're interested in Vegas and travel videos, I got a lot of good ones on the channel, so definitely check them out. Anyway, have a blessed evening.